Don't eat pigs, you don't need them, don't pay a thief to steal them. Pigs don't want to be our slaves. Be an example of how an ethical person behaves. Don't eat pigs just because they're hogs. It's not their fault they don't look like cats or dogs. Don't be a speciesist towards anyone. This means not being racist. Be morally consistent. Protect everyone. Protect everyone. Reason number 1.
It's cruel to eat bacon because the process of producing it involves the extreme suffering of baby pigs. From birth, sweet little pigs are confined to cramped, filthy spaces where they are unable to run or play. They endure painful procedures such as cutting off their tails and cutting out their testicles without anesthesia. Bacon, hot dogs, ham, pepperoni, and salami are all linked to cancer in the same way that cigarettes are. If you love someone, you don't feed them the corpses of innocent animals. You Google healthy vegan recipes instead.
Reason number 2.
It's evil to eat sausages because 6-month-old baby pigs are gassed to death in the same way that Nazis murdered Jewish children in World War II. Pigs are routinely subjected to overcrowded and stressful conditions, leading to severe physical and psychological distress. The grinding of their bodies into sausages represents the final act of a life filled with suffering. If someone is not vegan, they're paying for the torture and death of innocent animals who are as smart as dogs. Now that you know the truth, you can be a teacher and help others learn too. For free recipes, go to forksoverknives.org.
Don't eat pigs, you don't need them, don't pay a thief to steal them. Pigs don't want to be our slaves. Be an example of how an ethical person behaves. Don't eat pigs just because they're hogs. It's not their fault they don't look like cats or dogs. Don't be a speciesist towards anyone. This means not being racist. Be morally consistent. Protect everyone. Protect everyone. Reason number 3.
It's wrong to eat ham because mother pigs are sexually assaulted, raped, and forced to be pregnant against their will. Mother pigs live in Holocaust-like conditions and are so confined that they cannot even turn around. Baby pigs are taken away from their mothers, depriving them of the love they naturally seek. These piglets are fattened up rapidly in harsh conditions only to be slaughtered while still very young. The fact is that if you're not vegan, you're paying for animal abuse. To learn the truth, watch Earthlings on YouTube. Bring Kleenex.
Reason number 4.
It's cruel to eat pepperoni because it's wrong to kill someone who has never done a single thing wrong to you and who doesn't want to die. From being crammed into transport trucks to their violent deaths in slaughterhouses, pigs endure unimaginable fear and pain. Did you know that there are vegans in the Olympics? That's because plants have plenty of protein for you to stay healthy. For help becoming vegan, join challenge22.com, a free service with access to dietitians, recipes, and group support.
Don't eat pigs, you don't need them, don't pay a thief to steal them. Pigs don't want to be our slaves. Be an example of how an ethical person behaves. Don't eat pigs just because they're hogs. It's not their fault they don't look like cats or dogs. Don't be a speciesist towards anyone. This means not being racist. Be morally consistent. Protect everyone. Protect everyone. Reason number 5.
It's unethical to eat salami because its production relies on the systematic torture of innocent pigs. Like cats and dogs, pigs feel pain. They don't want to be trapped, raped, kidnapped, or killed. Pigs are unfairly forced to live in filthy cages where diseases can easily be spread and even leaked out to humans. Even on so-called family farms, baby pigs who are born smaller than expected will be legally killed by smashing their heads onto cement floors because they consider them to be useless. To see this with your own eyes, watch dominionmovement.org and then help us save them.
Reason number 6.
It's unethical to eat hot dogs because they come from grinding up the eyes, ears, face, blood, and liver of 6-month-old baby pigs. You were born vegan. You were not born to hurt animals. It's not in your nature. If you saw a baby pig, you would never salivate and try to eat her. Instead, you would want to hold her and love her and play with her and protect her. You don't have sharp, retractable claws to kill. You don't have fangs and a huge mouth to swallow large body parts. You have small teeth and a jaw that moves from side to side to chew veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and to eat peanut butter toast with bananas on top.
Don't eat pigs, you don't need them, don't pay a thief to steal them. Pigs don't want to be our slaves. Be an example of how an ethical person behave. Don't eat pigs just because they're hogs. It's not their fault they don't look like cats or dogs. Don't be a speciesist towards anyone. This means not being racist. Be morally consistent. Protect everyone. Protect everyone.
Thank you for listening. Please share this song with someone who doesn't yet know. And thanks for being as vegan as possible.